Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I love tucking a little tiny bit of hair behind my ear. And I'm super glad to see you today. I hope you're having a great day or the day of your choice. And I hope you will like, comment, and subscribe. So when you subscribe, make sure to ring that bell. Ding, ding, ding. Ring that bell so you know when I'm doing things, because you never know what's going to happen. I do lots of lives and great unboxings and mystery boxes. And today I'm going to be doing a look with the Juvia's, the Nubian Royal Palette. And I got this from my good friend Jeannie from Unfiltered 50s. And it was a super great surprise gift that she had for me. And look how beautiful that is. Let's do some swatches. Swatching time. I was stealing that from Nady. Yeah, but it is swatching time. These are Gorgeous. We love the Gorgeous colors and we love purples. See if I can get that light. There we go. And that is some beautiful swatches, and that will make for a great look. And I'm knocking things over left and right because I have the tiniest makeup area known to man. It is like so small. It's so small, but it's so good. It's just enough. Just enough for old Rhonda to get things going. So I'm going to start by picking a color. And I think I'm going to start in the middle, in the crease with this color here. It is a shimmer, but I don't care. And it does not have a color name. It is pigmented. Ooh, there is some fallout. And as I'm doing this makeup look, I'm preparing to go meet my good friend, Jo Withrow. Just Jo. You've seen her on my live streams. She is a great friend. And her and her husband are kind of meeting me a little bit more than halfway in an undisclosed location. Well, it's going to be way after the fact. But I'm very excited about it. And I wanted to have a palette to do a dynamic look, and it looks like this is the one to work with. And it blends out really nicely. Super pretty. It's gorgeous. We loves it. Let's get my deal. It's not brushing it off very well. I'll go over top of it with my concealer. I'm sorry, my foundation brush. It still has a little foundation on it. And let's hope that the rest are not as fally-outy as that one was. It's so beautiful already. I don't feel like I need to do a whole lot to make this look work. I'm going to go under the brow bone with this lavender color. And I've already got my brows and my base all done. And this is making a beautiful kind of ombre look. Oh, it's so gorgeous. And I did forget to put highlighter on. So let's do Covent Garden from Ofra. And it's kind of a pinky highlight. And that's very lovely. I'm glad I remembered in the middle of my look. That's right, I just made big goofy eyes at myself. The next color I'm going to use is going to be this purple here. Ooh, it's kind of a magenta. It's very pigmented. Beautiful. More of the pinky purple magenta kind of color. So, oh, what's up, Ruby? I hear Ruby making a sweet little noise. And I'm going to go back into this first color and blend it up a little bit more, because I don't want it to totally disappear. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Now I'm going to just clean off that brush and just do some blending. It's just, everything's blending out beautifully. And now I'm going to take this glitter and put it in the inner corner and blend it out to the outside. I didn't even use glitter glue. Oops. Probably should have. But this is a pretty sticky glitter. And I think that is going to be it for my look. I'm going to do some eyeliner with the Star Gem Cosmetics. What's it called? The Asteria eyeliner. And this does a lovely job. The Star Gems is an indie brand. And I've recently ordered and received a palette called Ode to the Oracles. And because I was the first customer on Black Friday, I got some bonus things, which I'm very excited about. Just want to make sure I get all the little gaps. Fantastic. And now we're going to use the Dark Star Mascara from Pat McGrath. Fantastic work of the lashes. Really gets the length going. I'm kind of wanting to do my extra best since I get to meet one of my online besties. It's very exciting when you get to actually meet people that you've been friends with on YouTube. Oh, that looks lovely. And then for my lip, I'm going to do this beautiful, what color is it? It is a KVD in Love, or is it Lux? Love. That might be a little too bright purple. Let's see. I have other purples. I have this Sephora purple. Wow, this is beautiful. And this makes for a dynamic look. And this does not have a place where I can read the name because it's too dark in the packaging. But I want to thank you so much for watching me do this fantastic look with the Juvia's the Nubian Royal palette. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.